he wrote that adorable book about the animal. You know that book that Mo Williams wrote? You know about the little, about the something bunny, the Knuffle bunny.
The Knuffle?
Oh, it's adorable. The Knuffle bunny. I know. I was thinking what it was. The Knuffle bunny.
Well, no, they did teach in school about the silent
No,
K.
I didn't. I missed that class.
How's your knee?
Yeah.
Give me a knife.
It's knocking.
Yeah. Is this a good one?
I don't know if that's a new one or the first one. Oh, Jane, forget that.
I love
forget
this
that.
book.
Are you kidding? This is horrible.
Oh, it's a great
I never
book.
read it.
It's awful. If you
It's
want to be
so
miserable and
good.
depressed, go and read it.
It's so good.
Which is it, good or horrible?
It's good and
what's this?
miserable and
Fooling-
depressing and horrible.
Fooling Houdini, but it's in...
Sounds great.
But look, Fooling Houdini, but look, it's in Chinese.
Oh, well, you can read that.